Here are 10 tips to follow for a natural makeup look. Prep your skin. Before applying any makeup, make sure to cleanse and moisturize your skin to create a smooth and hydrated base. Use lightweight foundation. Opt for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to create a natural finish that allows your skin to show through. Conceal lightly. Use a lightweight concealer only where you need it to cover up any blemishes or dark circles. Choose neutral eyeshadows. Stick to neutral eyeshadow shades such as browns and beiges for a subtle and natural look. Apply mascara sparingly. Use just enough mascara to define your lashes without making them look too dramatic. Use natural-looking blush. Choose a blush shade that mimics a natural flush, such as peach or pink, and apply it lightly to the apples of your cheeks. Keep your brows natural. Use a brow gel or pencil to fill in any sparse areas of your eyebrows, but avoid making them too bold or dramatic. Go easy on the contour. If you want to contour your face, use a light hand and choose a shade that is only slightly darker than your natural skin tone. Use lip balm or tinted lip gloss. For a natural lip look, use a tinted lip balm or gloss in a shade that complements your natural lip color. Set your makeup lightly. Use a translucent powder to set your makeup lightly and keep it in place without adding any extra coverage.